Hello everyone, this is Victoria with SUNY Brockport Career Services, and this is our video guide for employers on how to create a schedule for a virtual job fair. So if you've made it here, congratulations. That means you've successfully registered for our career fair and have now been encouraged to create a schedule for the virtual fair. If by some chance you have stumbled upon this video and are not registered or need help doing so in the future, check out the How to Register Guide for Employers on the SUNY Brockport Career Services YouTube channel. So moving forward on how to create this schedule, when you click on the link in the email, or if you click on the Schedule tab from the Fair Overview page, in the middle of the screen will be the gray button that says Add Sessions. Click on this button to be taken to the Create Schedule workflow composed of 4 tabs. These tabs are Add Team Members, Add Group Sessions, Add One-to-One Sessions, and Review. So that first tab, Add Team Members. So you're going to select the members from your company that will be representing your company at the fair. Use the search box to type in a name and narrow down the displayed list. Click on the checkbox next to each team member name to include them in either group or one-to-one session scheduling. There is a limit of 100 team members per virtual fair registration. Team members attending need to have Handshake accounts because they need to log in to launch a Handshake video session. If a team member is listed without a role and a status of unclaimed account, this indicates an account has been created for them, but they haven't claimed it yet. If you are missing team members, they likely do not have a Handshake account yet or are not connected to your company. Don't fret, all companies have a global setting that allows recruiters to manually add teammates or copy an invite link to share with colleagues. If it is enabled, you should see buttons to copy invite link and add teammate manually. Add teammate manually, you will click this to create a shell account for your colleague. They will receive an email prompting them to set their password. Once they've claimed the account, you'll be able to add them to group or one-to-one sessions. For the copy invite link, when you click that button, it will copy a link, and this will allow your colleagues to create their own accounts, and they will be connected directly to the company profile on confirmation. So moving forward to adding group sessions. Group sessions are 30 minutes long each, and each registration will be able to set up as many group sessions as they like within the time constraints of the fair, whether Handshake video or an external provider is used. Employers are not able to set qualifications for group sessions. If you choose to use Handshake video, please know that there is a limit of 50 attendees max at a time, including employer team members. Any limitations for external providers are determined by the provider you choose to use. So first of all, is your team holding any group sessions? Select if your organization is holding group sessions by selecting yes or no. Select if you're using Handshake video or another video tool for group sessions. If you would like to use an external video provider for one-to-one sessions, you'll be able to update sessions individually once the schedule has been created. When you select Handshake video, you'll be able to fill in session details, including the name description, how many team members will host the event, and a drop-down of time slots during the fair. Premium partners will have an option to record the session and will be able to select yes or no for this prompt. Just a tip, if multiple branches of your company will be attending, consider adding your division/department name to your group session title. Please note you can also add group sessions later on, so you can coordinate times with other departments as needed, then add to the schedule later. If you'd like to add another session, click on the blue text, Add Another Session, and repeat filling in the new session details. Keep in mind when you're scheduling any breaks or lunches that you or your team would like to take. When you have completed adding the desired sessions, click the blue button and confirm sessions to proceed. Select the team members that will be leading the previously set up sessions. Multiple team members may host group sessions. You may only add up to the specified count per group session. If you attempt to add more team members than are designated per session, you will not be able to proceed. Once this is set, click the blue button Assign Team to proceed. So moving on to one-to-one sessions. The next step will allow you to configure one-to-one sessions for representatives attending the fair. One-to-one sessions let your team members meet with individual qualified students for 10-minute video conversations. All one-to-one sessions are 10 minutes long and cannot be changed. So to start, you'll click Add One-to-One Sessions for the desired team member. If teammates from multiple divisions will be hosting one-to-one sessions, we still recommend that you have your teammate add their division name to their title via user settings. This will be displayed in the sign-up screen for students and will help them know who they are meeting with. If you'd like to set up qualifications to more efficiently use virtual interaction time in the one-to-one sessions, select Yes to add requirements to sessions, then click the blue button Add Requirements. Employers can set requirements per team member if they are hoping to engage with 2 or more different groups of students. For example, if students are meeting with hiring managers for different jobs. Qualifications can be changed up until the start of the time fair. But once the fair has begun, the only option will be to clear all qualifications. You will be able to qualify students based on GPA, work authorization, Handshake major group, and graduation date. Handshake's research has shown that one-to-one virtual meetings are far more effective when they are more focused, which is more likely when preferences are shared in advance. That said, we also strongly believe in the power of technology to democratize opportunities, so group options are also available for general networking and conversation. We will also be monitoring this feature for concerns regarding limitations to any student groups. Check out Handshake's Diversity and Inclusion Guide to help walk you through each step of the hiring for diversity process. Please note, by selecting these qualifications, you are limiting student sign-up to only students that meet these qualifications. Students that do not meet the selected criteria will be unable to sign up for the one-to-one sessions. Because of this, Handshake has an automated feature that will pause your one-to-one session qualifications 48 hours prior to the fair to help fill any empty sessions you may still have. If you'd like to opt out of this feature, click No on that option at the bottom of the one-to-one qualifications page. If you opt into this feature, you'll receive a reminder email 72 hours before the fair start, which will give you an option to opt out at that point if you'd like. When you finish selecting qualifications, click the blue button, Add and Schedule Sessions. This will take you back to the one-to-one sessions page where you may add additional one-to-one sessions for other team members. Repeat the steps above per desired team member. When you've added all one-to-one sessions, click the blue button Assign Team to proceed to review. Review the group and one-to-one sessions created to confirm accuracy. Click the blue button Confirm Schedule and invite Team to generate the email for team members to claim their schedules. Please be aware that Career Services cannot view or edit required preferences for employers or remove certain preferences from schedules. So that's on registering. But if you still need help after reviewing this video or any other Handshake materials you may have perused, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email is career@brockport.edu and our telephone number is 585-395-2159. Thank you for registering to attend our fair, and we can't wait to see you working with our Golden Eagles.